method, for every query that is returned by the database server, you will see the results tab. The result tab is here, showing the columns, the different columns in that table, and the rows, in the particular table. If you drop down the table, let me see, this is from where we go to human resources employee. If we decide to drop down this and go to columns, we will see all of these columns that we see here under columns in the particular table. And for us to see every other information in each of these columns in the rows, all we have to do is to, these are the columns, that the information in these columns. Let's just keep it that way. And a message tab, as you can see over here, showing the message from the server about the result that we just ran. 290 rows affected, completed time, and all of that. So, and you also have the option of exporting by right-clicking the end part of this. You can highlight and you can right-click here, and you have the option of saving this, the information of this result. Also, to the bottom left, you can see where it says, it shows that the query ran successfully. And if it failed, you will also see it over here. And to the bottom right, the instance name is indicated here. We are in SQL 1. The instance name and the version, just like what we could see at the top here, we still have those information over here, but we have more here. And we have the instance name, we have the version that we are running, and the account that ran the query, the account that is running the query. This 90 is referring to the section number, the section number of the section number. You can see the section number up here as well, of here 90. That's the section number for this page that we are running right now. And the database that we are querying is over here. And the time it took to run this, the duration of time it took to run that, it took the database server to run that query. It's a very small file, so nothing serious. And the amount of rows contained in the query that we ran was 290 rows. So that is that about